Want to help your loved ones feel lighter and brighter? I'll teach you a cord cutting and energy smoothing technique with a crystal Athame that anyone can use with family and friends right away. This is a crystal Athame, or Athame, however you want to say it. It is selenite, as some call it, or actually satin spar. This is Raymond Reiki Bear II. So, here's how I do this. And you can follow along. You can even do this. We told you that it would be for family and friends, but you can also do this for yourself with your favorite teddy bear or animal, stuffy, or you can imagine yourself on a table like so. So how do you do this? I do it in sets of 3 or 3 sets of 3 for body, mind, and spirit. And I go down the body, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I did it slower that time so you could actually see the motion. I just do it really quick. And then across the crown, and then feet. Well, you can't see. There we go. On the sides. I don't turn Raymond Reiki Bear over because energy is everywhere, and when you cut off the front, the top, the sides, and below the feet, it also cuts the back. Now you can gently, and I don't do this even with my clients, have them turn over, because it breaks the flow of energy. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now you see the back side. So again, all right, there you go. All right, that's that part. Now, we haven't called in the angels yet. And what you can do is to hold your hands like so in front of you, kind of right near the person you're working with, even if it's yourself, your energy body, or your stuffy. I am an open, and okay, not too excited here. I am a clear and perfect channel. Light is my guide. I am a clear and perfect channel. Light is my guide. I am a clear and perfect channel. Light is my guide. That intention, that small mantra that I say 3 times, is so that the energy from the universe, from my guides, comes into and through me, because it's not my energy that I'm using. I'm the vessel or the channel. Now here is a simple, and you can't do it wrong, as long as, well, you can't do it wrong. Just be mindful of the intention to be of service and to clear, smooth, and remove negative energies. You're doing the physical work, right? At the universe, your guides, the angels, are actually having the energy flow through you. So which angels? You can call on Archangel Michael. You can call on Archangel Metatron. He's the primary for all of your 7 major chakras, all of your chakras. You can even call upon Archangel Raphael for healing, energy healing. Now you can have your left hand facing Father Sky and using your right hand to clear the energies. I like using both because what we're doing is a simple method, a very simple method of angelic light weaving. Okay. Now the smoothing part is when you're done, and you can, maybe 5, 10, 15 minutes. The smaller the person, like a child or even a furry, you do it for maybe 5 minutes because their bodies are smaller. They are more sensitive to energies. So a larger person, even a teenager, maybe 10 minutes max. So here's smoothing. Gentle. Okay? Just gentle. Gentle sweeping. It's kind of sweeping. Just very, very soft. Very gentle. That's it. Okay. Now if you want to do a little extra, you can work on the crown chakra a little to just clear, so that the connection to the higher realms is easier. It's open, and the person can receive or recognize. There's his eyes. Cute. Recognize the intuition, the hits, the images, the messages that they are already getting. Okay. So I'm just, hopefully this is coming across. That's it. Now, one additional step after the person is done, or after you're done with your person, whether it's a stuffy for you or someone else, let them just kind of stay where they are for a few minutes so that they come back into their body more fully. Okay? And you would want to, it's highly recommended and suggested, so you would want to drink extra water for the next 48 hours to help the body fully release the detoxification that just went in. Okay? So what does water mean? It means juice, iced tea, water. Coffee doesn't count. You can still drink your caffeinated drinks, no problem. It just doesn't count for the rest of the cleansing process. Let me know what you feel about this, how you tried it, if you have any questions about it. And we'll see you again very soon.